Everyone, welcome back to the channel where I get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle. With me is my husband Marcel and a lot of people from Wilson's Run Crownland, right? So we're here this morning to do, distribution of clothing, children's clothing in particular, because we have an anonymous donor who had sent us some clothes a good while now, and we were, just in the process of organizing how we do the distribution. So we have managed to get it together with the help of Ryan, of course, and so we are here this morning and we're going to start. And we have some shy ladies beside us who like, oh!
If they're shy, they don't
if they're shy, then I turn them back.
Yes.
All right. So we have people all about, some over there, behind us and so on. So we hope that some more persons will come and some children in the shop over there hiding. So, sorry. We're going to open the back now.
No size.
And
no size. No other bag.
All right, I'm going to put this on the ground here.
So that's the box we did collect. That's the children?
Yeah, children's box. And while we're doing this, I want to say thanks to our donor. God bless you. I know it has been a while that we have received them, but we're thankful that we're able to do the distribution today. All right, so guys, you can come. Should I have them form a line?
Just make them stand up. You don't have to put them in a line.
I don't have enough of these bags. So now for
you injure, man. You're not picking. You're injure.
So you have to show what the baby there. The baby. No, this is not PE. Hold on. What size should we wear? You don't know.
Anything will fit her.
All right.
Your size.
Yeah, this look like her size.
Your size. You want to fit me and fit me any clothes.
We'll have some bags. So, all right, me give you one of these bags. Bag are big enough.
So now my bag that you have on your side.
Bag.
Yes.
You want to help me and put them in a bag? When they get it, please.
Yes, sir.
Put them right there. So.
Somebody to help.
All right, me see if me find one more here.
If I want to see you, say thank you.
Riri, you don't want to talk to me, but you see, you're the first one to get clothes.
Who the people they want,
Food? I love food this morning.
To my clothes, I come from town, my mother left him.
Who? This little boy here?
So I think what's
look like he can fit she.
Yeah, when it's finished, we go. So if you WhatsApp, you're not getting it?
Yeah, give her fear. Thank you. All right, who again now? Yeah, fear they go and look. Boy, one day we can fit you.
Take out the bag with the khaki then.
Bag with the khaki.
That's two bags, and you just put them in a two.
Alright, can I go and look in that one?
No size. So you might have to carry a tail and make them fit, sister.
Oh, me I go check. 6-year-old. This looks like it can fit him. Not true. Yes. Can fit him, man. Me see if me find one more for him. No pack, no close it yet.
You can't fix, man, if it's
no shame.
Can't go a logger, make a logger take in it.
Small.
See Ryan,
if you can fit him. This can fit him?
Yes. Where did they?
On the top, sorry. Alright, that's a O'Shane. Alright. Alright. Hold on, make me start.
Big boy, they back you.
Alright.
Do this for Ryan. Ryan, me get him on.
Why?
No big girls. Lucky church. Lucky church. Sure, you know they are church. I'm on that. Something can fit that little one.
Who is that? Hold on there. Small.
What you say? You man, I can't fit on. One shot, Ryan.
Boy, large. Boy, said large. Hold on. It's a suit, I'm checking. That kiss can't fit him. Too small. Who around they can't.
Andre, but I'm too big for
Can't fit Andre. You don't put it back.
Yeah, I know what man. On your shirt.
Alright, this large, so we take out this and put it here. So. She how old? Granddaughter. 3 months? Oh.
Come big, man.
One little boy, 2-year-old boy.
Alright, just put it right there. So I'm so fine in top.
Them big, a big size them. What's this?
Big size.
You can find one smaller one.
Not sure. I done this. I done. Are you the top about ugliest one over here? Yeah, this can't fit. Done. Yeah, mixing no gear one bag.
Yes, you can fit it. Look one shot.
Small boy. Yes, on 11. I don't know if we have no 11. This is one small boy. Girl. Done not get no bottom yet. That's small. You never have to pull that one here. Just leave it. Yeah. Just can't fit Riri. This. Can you use up some of them here now?
Them are small for you, man. Likkle for you.
This a boy. Hey, me I wonder now. Hold on. Well, just boy small. No small boy. Boy small. All right.
Look here.
Andre.
You don't forget three. We have more people. You can't get more than one.
Medium. Hold on. Done. We done. Get ready. Just one blouse. Oh, all right. This is for you. Done. Say thank you. You're welcome. All right. Where this other bag here.
You can't take the rest of them come by yours. The rest of them come.
Help me take out this bag, please. Just pull it out. So the ladies there, you can come search the bag here. Yeah. Panty. You get one extra because help me.
Rush Ellie, come look in that bag here, so. Come here, so come look in there, so.
Come here, Haley. Where Haley there? Haley. I want the other young lady there. Here. You're welcome.
No, wait. No, move yet. Andre, Ryan.
Touch her.
All of them big, and I have to just get them right here and make them sit.
Come check this bag now.
What size is that? Come here.
Andre.
What size is it?
Andre. Andre, come.
Big.
You didn't get nothing? Oh, and it's so quiet right here, so. We're going to look something for you now. Here, not get nothing, not true? No, man, you get something, just put something in your hand.
Let me see size.
Ran. Yeah. Yours here.
How are they?
Thank you. You look so.
Come here, Mayot.
You soon get something, Ryan. Hold on. This tiny. This
Tell me number where they know that. Give me that one. Give me one.
pull this back. Put this in there. This can fit you?
Yeah?
This can fit you?
What size is it?
No, not true. This can fit you? So me see what you have on. We have boy clothes too, but we don't have none like your size. And we are moving. We can see me soon find something for you.
This is smaller one, smallest one, the man. Bigger one. That's where you have
Alright, so let's see if this is yours. You like this one? Oh, okay. Me I go find her something. No, it's a suit. It's a suit. Me soon find her something here, baby. This is yours. You're welcome. Alright. Voilà. Est-ce qu'il y a un fait tout? Yeah, come.
No, you don't want the bag. We will put something in it. One suit, one of them here if you have it.
No, she not get yet, but she get. Here, this is yours. You're welcome.
I pay tax over there, tax. You know when I talk about it? Yeah, we'll come back and get it. I will show you.
No, she can't.
I will show you, see how you go.
Alright. You know. Long time she there, you're quiet. Hold on there. 8 to 10.
What are you doing at that?
Size. She wants.
What are you doing at that? You wear pants to school?
Me have to check. Hold on. Don't leave it. Don't leave. Here. Open the bag. Open.
Come in, I mix, man. Go look what I go on.
Let me see if this can fit Ryan.
You blow shirt there, Ryan.
Ryan, give Ryan a shirt.
Where Andre there?
Don't leave though. You hear what I'm give Andre something. I don't know where you gone.
Baby, that's a few of them.
3 months old? 3 months old? This is so big. No. Because see, it's a bigger boy. Hold on. 5, 6. Let me see how this looks.
See one young man around here, so.
Let me see him. Oh, you not get nothing?
You can't find something more for you. Look at Indian girl running behind you.
That's too big.
We give him something, you know? We give him one suit. I don't know where to do it. No.
Andre?
Hold on. Medium.
You're good talking. Alright,
you get something?
That's fancy.
Here.
That's fancy.
Yeah. Hold on. It's the same top? Okay.
Come
Come here.
girl? She gone on this one.
Dan Maria.
Alright, let me see. Ryan, your time now. Make me go look for you specifically. 3.
1 year old, 2 year old baby.
Not yet. Hold on.
What size I look for? 36 away?
And a 36 year old. 36
3 months old.
33 them like little than 36 or longer.
This the little one in there. But she tall, man. This can't fit her.
Yeah.
So we want to have care about the knife if you can't fit.
You know, for $100.
Oh.
Really?
Fear. Hold on there.
30.
Size 1.
Dan Maria.
Can she there?
Dan. Don't jump up and down.
Let me see this.
Dan Marie, it's a jump. 30.
This big to the chair.
A baby shoes back there.
No, darling. Hold on there. Hold on. Put this in your bag. No, this is too small for you.
That's right.
Alright, can't wear it on the uniform.
Give me 2 for them, boy.
When then?
Boy, right there. Our girl can wait.
You don't get no clothes, that's true. You don't know if I have no.
Get close a while ago, me see.
Me give.
I see now one pants up there, so.
Cocky.
Championship. Ryan. So yours. Hold on, let it go. Let it go.
Body member.
No, what you eating don't get tired. Wala Oma, wala Christopher.
Are there any son no?
You gonna get no butter, I'm not sure.
Make sure so remember like
Well,
you can them one like
small.
them used to give me trouble. It's okay?
Yes, the police. Suki.
You know, Suki man.
Alright.
Yeah, me know them.
Alright now. You know, I get that here.
But I'm mostly
Well, let me check.
remember. Yeah. Come have to talk to them.
It's a small.
The baby.
Small, no.
1 2 year old boy. The baby boy there.
Girl 6, baby boy. 2-year-old.
Did they your Jordan?
Chunky boy.
Is that on this?
Shirt.
Someone fit it, they can't fit him, man.
2-year-old?
Yeah.
And you know, so we have
No, this too small. This not can't fit at all. This is like baby.
all of them. Because this one the mission over the pan.
Small. Your 2-year-old no look so.
2 year old they were. This can't fit me, right?
Boy said small. Let me see this if this can fit him.
Alright, we're going to fire some.
Yeah.
Jordan.
Give him something, man, make we move.
No, this can't fit the
Where we are?
2-year-old.
Pants or shorts?
4 to 6. We are going down here routine now.
Give him one shot. Give him
Let me
one
look
shot.
something for him. Kind of get nothing. Hold on, me I come.
Pick up the right one.
Here. Alright, you know. Girl.
T-shirt or something classic.
You want one shot?
This can't fit you.
Blue one, so.
Your size this.
Yeah, TJ.
That's it.
TJ too. No, he have one brother. Give it TJ, man. Okay, back one.
Just I gave him this shirt.
Yeah, that shirt can't fit him. That's straight. Why you trying to?
And a tiny feel. Oh, baby shirt.
He can't fit him to brother. Give him brother. Him brother. He not even
Your brother here?
brother. Give me shots.
Here. Take your sip.
Your brother. He can't fit your brother.
Give him one bag.
Try anyway when you go.
Put in a this. I find nothing fair. Alright, one shirt fit. Oh, you get a shirt, man.
Your brother didn't want clothes in that come fit.
Let me see. Let me see if this can fit him. Sure.
You want one shot.
This looks like it can fit him. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah. This is one shirt here. Say yours. So you're not fit trying the brother one here?
That's a film.
Ryan no get no clothes. Ryan just when the you get one tiny stuff you. No more slippers. Where baby girls them that make them come.
Come.
Either you or your brother.
Give me one.
Hold on, call her, make she come. Let me see how small. No, this is a Riri size. We're head down the road now.
You couldn't find one shot, Sim.
No,
You not get no shots. One next bag now in there.
Let's see if we find something fishy.
I forgot to come back up here.
This can't fit you? She look at me like, of course, been here for a long time. It's about time. Not true.
Try high. Where you gone so far?
We are saying I get no shots now.
Oh, hey granddaughter.
So you have one shot here.
Give me soap.
Alright, everybody gets something. Nobody can complain. But see over here, so you want one of them shots here? You're welcome. Let me see. Oh, you get one suit. Yeah, everybody, look a baby girl, get something. And she have it in her hand.
If we find out more time, let's see. She first get it.
Actually,
on standby.
let me see this. Street tea. This too small for you. You go down your road. Your grandbaby not get nothing yet? How much something put in your hand? Eh?
How are you? Just
Riri?
Yes, my friend.
That's a Ryan baby.
Yeah.
Ryan and Sandrine daughter.
Yeah.
You get something with a fear shot about fear grandbaby.
This a few little girl. Where she gone?
Come
She
here.
did a run up and down somewhere. How old is your grandbaby?
Grandbaby are one.
Girl or boy?
Girl.
Come here.
One boy, a four.
Come here, you.
At two of them?
Yeah.
Come, baby. Come here.
Yeah, really, we look here.
Come, baby. Go here, there. Yourself. Come.
Call them to buy something.
Let me pull it back.
Pull your bag up.
So show me some clothes and a church.
One of them big boys that could have get this. Call one of them and give me.
Come here. No, one of them. Any one of them. This a big thing.
Baby boys.
What this big? This little for you. You give one of them.
Where the lady there? Hello, here. Don't want to lick me.
Alright.
I don't have nothing for a 2-year-old.
Yes.
Ready?
Next time.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Oh boy, but that looks something for our grandbaby.
Oh, girl or boy?
Boy and girl.
This one girl's dress. Okay, this can fit her.
Oh.
get one frack.
All right, you're welcome.
Drop back them there in box.
Two more come.
You want tall man, then you can get one khaki pants. Come fast.
Oh.
Take out that khaki pants. No, me drop one in the box.
Oh.
Roland. We carry that come next time. No, me answer.
Come on here, sir. Morning. Oh, no late, so.
We take some money.
What did they? Oh, they are wait.
Oh. Let me see if I find something for you.
Which school you go?
Try. Can't fit.
It's tiny. Just can't fit it. What size you wear?
It have plastic in the way,
Yeah, but it stops. So. You look tiny. Short.
Give him that shirt there.
Let me see if I find anything else we can fit in. So next time. Same size.
Okay, wearing clothes.
You want small brother? I'll find something for you though.
Next time we carry box, come give the issue. You know people them. You know their size.
Small boy.
I feel that.
Yeah, this is yours.
Your bag did they wait for you, master.
So this is yours and this is your brother's, okay? All right. All right, guys. So this is it. Right, well, we still don't finish yet. We'll have some more, so you know, hopefully some other persons can benefit. But just want to say thanks to our anonymous donor. Thank you very much. God richly bless you. And until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye bye.
Bye bye, guys.
All right.